Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Stories from an Educator. In this series, I share a story that took place in my career in education, what I learned from it, and how it can be applied to you. The end of the school year can be a time where student focus can drift. Why not try a different way of engaging students by having them take the lead in their learning? In the recent past, I helped various teachers facilitate Genius Hour in their classrooms. Genius Hour is a project where students pick a topic or project to research and then have to present it to their classmates. Students created art projects, models, stop motion animations, comic books, and even cookbooks. Each year, I improved on how to facilitate this activity so students learned how to reflect on their own learning and so that they kept moving forward in their project. Now the teachers feel confident in implementing this activity independently. There may not always be time for an activity like Genius Hour. After all, there are many content expectations that must be covered. If possible, try to have your students answer this question. What do you want to learn before this school year ends? Remember, you are doing your best with the knowledge you have at the time.